tobacco is more than just a habit. It's a cocktail of 70 deadly chemicals like benzene, arsenic, and formaldehyde, each capable of causing cancer. Lung, throat, stomach, bladder, pancreas, cervix, even blood. Tobacco spares no organ. And yes, even non-smokers are at risk through secondhand smoke. From heart attacks to strokes, infertility to miscarriages, COPD to cancer, tobacco silently destroys lives. It fuels chronic inflammation, weakens immunity, delays healing, and can even increase the risk of Alzheimer's. Secondhand smoke isn't harmless. It puts children and families at risk of asthma, infections, and cancer. Tobacco is the leading preventable cause of death. Choose life, choose health, quit tobacco today.